Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today night be your first time, no forget to do wetin subscribe. Abeg, no be only subscribe, muna touch the notification bell, because that bell, if you not touch am, if I put video, you no go fit know na. Subscribe and touch the bell. So may you like this video, may you comment put thank you all. So those people wey don comment for my video, I love all of una. So una know my name na, my name be Rita. So I come tell una one or two things today about marriage. So about life now, I come say me I discuss with una today. Some people for marriage, they go say they don't want to talk to their husband. If their husband do them something bad, they go keep am for mind. They bear. You understand? So they not go feel pour the thing out. Now so it still be for some people. If their husband wife do them something bad, they go they bear. They not fit tell their wife wetin their wife do say e no good. But the day when they come talk, the thing go come scatter everywhere. No, my brother, my sister, if you dey for marriage, you dey for relationship, serious one. So wetin you go do as a woman or as a man? If you and your partner get problem, you have to talk. Yes, maybe not be automatic, not be the same day, but after that you give the person chance. One day, the next day you fit talk to am, or maybe the thing happen morning, evening time you fit call your wife or call your husband. Tell am say, oh darling, sweetheart, now you know how you take dey call your husband or your wife. Tell am say, wetin you do me? I be vex o. You hurt me well well. The way you take talk to me, or maybe the way you take dey do follow me, I no go understand you again. You go pour am out, you go open up. No be say you go gather everything for your mind. If na your husband people dey stress you, tell your husband say, oh, why your people dey stress me now? Make you and your husband arrange am. Open up, talk, come out. Today some women dey use knife dey kill their husband. Some men dey use knife dey kill their wife. Some men just dey put poison for their wife food. Na so e still be for some women. They put poison for their husband food. You know why? Because they no fit talk out. All wetin they don keep for their heart, e too much. E too much. So the thing go come make dem come over provoke. The day when they wan provoke, they'll come take action anyhow, overreact. You dey say am so. So that make it good to be open up to your partner. It will help you, it will help me. It will help every one of us in our relationship. So e dey make person dey go forward. If you be that kind type, when be say if your man do you anything bad, you go keep am for heart. If woman do you something bad, you go keep am. You no go talk come out, and the thing dey vex you, e no good. You go dey talk come out, e go help you well well. So now this thing I say me I come draw for you this message. I hope say una understand. Muna take my advice. If una no say I no still talk am well, you no wan still take am, no problem. So na so mo enter another part. Divorce. I wan talk about divorce. People wey dey with their wife don divorce today. If they go marry again, they'll come dey condemn this their ex-wife give their present one. E no good. Even if you marry again, that your first wife, respect am. Na so e still be for woman too. Even though you remarry again, respect your ex-husband. No condemn and give the where you dey go, where you don dey now. Your new husband or your new wife, don't condemn. You understand? Now only God know why una marriage no work. So na so. And again, if you don't divorce with man or you divorce with woman, mona get time. Mona tell dey see una children. Mona fix time put. No be say you and man no dey again, you say the man no see your pikin. No, not be say you and woman no dey again, you say you no see your pikin. No. Some men, if they don't marry another wife, they go forget their children when another woman fed born for them. Because the woman when they ask together will not accept for them to go see the children when e fed born for outside. And some men even say they'll just forget about the children. It's not good. That's why it still be for some women. If they just divorce like this, their new husband, they'll call no. The man when they first married before, they're not going to agree make the man come see the children. No. My dear, if you not agree make your husband, your father of your baby boy, come see your children because you're not divorced, it's not good for the children. The children will they feed their papa. Now they make some children, they're very arrogant. They know they respect, they disrespect. And some go call church to thief. Some they beat their mother. Yes, it's not good. So I beg, if you be man, you be woman, even though una divorce, una try to make good arrangements to take see children. It will help your children. So now this matter now say make a con drop for you. And again, some people, if they not there with their husband again, you know say you not there with the man again, you go they call the man 2 o'clock in the night. Stop him. When you know say the man don't there with another woman for us, you not get that right. You not get that right. Now so it still be for man. If you know say you know there with the woman again, not they call your ex-wife for 2 o'clock in the night, say I want answer of the children. No. A woman, not they call your ex-husband and say, I beg go, your children not well, every day, morning to night, you they disturb your ex-husband. Do you not know say they with another woman? Eh? So if you and your husband not there again, una separate, you get children for him. My dear, you go still respect his secret, his private life, go. You understand? You still respect her. You know the time when you will take call him. Very important. Now this message now come drop. You will not there with your wife again. You get picking with the woman, you can't go marry. If the woman call you, you start to insult the woman. Say you dey craze. Idiot, hopeless woman, ashawo. Eh? You not get character and make her leave you now. I don't leave you. I don't move on with my life. My dear brother, since you don't born picking with that woman, you must not say, hey, you not get time. You know, pick a call. You must pick your wife call. You know why? Eh? Because now your ex-wife, una get children together. You must pick the call. Una will talk out, una will take arrange the children. Future together. All of una two fit do am without going to court. Some people when they divorce their husband or divorce their wife, they must go court. Court go come fix the date when they two go stay fix. They two go fit do am when they fit do that see the children. No, you and your ex go fit come together, plan, peace. If marriage no work, they know they keep body put. You understand? Everybody go in your own path. You understand? So Naim, Abena, this matter now say me I can't drop for you today. Abena, wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel. Una know my name now. Una know now say we dey get better message for this place. Beg if you need better wife, you need better